proper wine service starts with presenting the bottle to the customer. After it's confirmed, cut the foil around a half an inch from the lip of the bottle using a foil cutter. Insert the corkscrew into the center of the cork and twist. Continue twisting the corkscrew down until the lever's first notch meets the bottle's lip. With a lever pressed against the lip of the bottle, pull the corkscrew up. Line up the second notch and pull the cork out of the bottle. Wipe off the top of the bottle and the cork to remove any debris. Present the cork to the guest. Pour a small sample and wait for approval before pouring for everyone at the table. Wrap the bottle in a clean white napkin. Start pouring with the person to the left of the host and move clockwise, always pouring from the guest's right side. Finish each pour with a twisting motion and wipe the lip of the bottle to avoid dripping. Place the bottle to the right of the host with a label facing outwards. For chilled wines, ask the guests if they prefer a bucket of ice or a wine chiller.